Y'all, I'm so excited. I finally got the Canon G7X. So if you already know, I normally use the Canon T5i to record my sit down content like I am now. That's what I'm recording on right now. But I wanted to get into vlogging for my weight loss channel. So I was like, let me buy a camera. But then I kept procrastinating. So my daughter was supposed to buy the camera for Christmas, but instead she bought me a KitchenAid mixer, which I can't be mad at that. I'm thankful either way, okay? But anyway, so I was like, well, that's okay. I'll just buy it myself. And then again, I kept procrastinating. So anyway, long story short, I finally bought the camera. I bought it directly from Canon and I got a refurbished one, so it didn't come with all the bells and whistles. I'll show you me opening up the package and then let's get into the camera itself. This is me opening up the package. It came in a big outside box, and then inside of it, it had the box that it comes in. Alright, so this is the box that comes inside of it that houses the camera. Again, if you see how people get it from Amazon, it has like a different box to it. But this is straight from Canon, and it's just the camera itself without all the accessories. So once you open up the box, right, so when you open up the box, first you get a little thank you note that says thank you for purchasing from Canon. Then it also gives you your warranty information. Next is just a little warning about buying counterfeit items. But I'm sure nobody buy me a counterfeit battery. I'm going to get an off-name brand from Amazon because I know I need extra batteries. So, before I pull this out, I also bought a pink silicone case for it. I'll put a picture in with the camera. So that's the case that I bought to go on it because I'm subject to drop it. Okay, so the accessories in the bag, it comes with a charger that you plug directly into the wall. It doesn't have the cord to it. It comes with one battery and a wrist strap. It did not come with the HDMI cord. I'm kind of bummed about that, but hopefully I have a USB plug that'll work in this. I'm praying I do, but if not, I'm not worried about it because it does have Wi-Fi capability, so I can just move it to my Mac or my phone. So I should be alright. I think I'll be alright. Alright, so this is it, y'all. This is the Canon G7X. It is so light. It's definitely a lot lighter than the camera I'm currently using. Hold on, let me get my other camera that's just like the one that I'm using right now. Alright, so this is the Canon camera that I'm recording on right now. This is the Canon T5i. I have two of these cameras just with different lenses. Girl, don't even ask. It's a long story, but you can see that there is definitely a big difference in the size. Just that way. And then when you turn it to the side, see that this one is so much thinner, and trust me, it's a big difference. Okay, so I want to do a test. Before I get started, I want to see the difference between the T5i, the DSLR, and the G7X. But before I get started, the reason why I didn't get the vlogger package is because I have most of the things that are in the package. For instance, I have a tripod already. I have lens cleaners. I have SD cards. Now for this camera, I have my old camera that I was trying to use. The quality was horrible. So I'm going to take out the mini SD card, put it in the adapter and see if that works. If that does, then I'll use that. If not, I just grab one of my other SD cards. Because trust me, I have plenty. So it really just didn't make sense for me to get the whole package, and I had everything in the package. Now I will say the cost of this camera, because I did get it directly from Canon and it was refurbished, and the thing about a refurbished camera is just like a brand new camera. Any non-working parts, they swap them out. They make sure it's working properly. It's like in a brand new camera, just for a fraction of the price. So this one only cost me $4.99 plus tax. I did add 2-day shipping on it, so that was $25. So I think I paid $5.56 total for it with tax and the extra shipping. So that's way cheaper than what you'll find on Amazon and other websites that have this camera. But I would definitely say it was worth it. I'm glad I did pay for the extra shipping. Granted, it did take me all week to do this video. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Anyway, so let's go ahead and set this up and turn it on. Let's see. I haven't even turned it on, y'all. Let's see. Oh, duh. I gotta put the battery in it. Not even thinking, y'all. I'm so daggone excited that I forgot to put the battery in the daggone camera. Right, so I got the battery in the camera. Let's try this again. I I love that sound. Oh, y'all see? That's y'all on my other camera. And the way that this extends out is a little weird. See how it kind of flips out and goes that way? But it really just flips on top. And you can see it that way. So I'm really curious to try it. So let's go ahead and hook this up. Let's put them together and see if we could compare the footage. I'm going to do a side by side. Alright guys, so this is me on the DSLR and me in the camera. I honestly think that me in the camera, the G7X, looks more true as far as color wise. I do see that my DSLR has me a little bit lighter. So I think that has me a little bit better. Let's see how to zoom it in. So I'm trying to get the shots as close to each other as I can. I have the G7X in front of me on a tripod, and then I have the Canon T5i right above it. But like I said, I think the coloring looks good. I'm looking in the camera on the G7X and I'm liking the quality. So I'm excited to give it a try. I can't wait to see what it looks like in the dark. So let's run around the house and see how it looks like in low light. Let's see what it's gonna do. Alright, so I'm noticing the autofocus is quick. So I bought it because my other camera, when I do like light like this, the quality is garbage. And then like right now, the room I'm in has no light. The light is coming from the next room over. I'm in my dining room and it is dark in here. And this is giving me light. Don't judge the junk in the bed. I'm still trying to get my house set up. Anyway, y'all. I'm out of breath, child. I'm fat. I can't help it. But I'm really liking this camera. I'm really liking the light that it lets in. Oh my God. This is so pretty. Y'all, this is so pretty. Yes, 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 yes. Yes. Let's see how I walk through the house. See, this is the room that has the light in it. Again, don't mind the junk in the background. I'm still working on my apartment. Oh my God, y'all. It's switching and switching. All right, let's see what it does in here, because I have daylight light bulbs in here. It's still giving me blue. My other camera gives me blue when I come in here. Ow, dummy. The paint it has is white with a blue undertone. Anyway, so y'all, this is my little test shot for the camera. So far, I'm liking it. Like I said, I'm going back into the living room. And I can see it brightening up and adjusting the aperture. I like it. And don't mind the stand of my bedroom slippers. These aren't my no. Let me take these off. Because they're making all that noise while I'm walking. So I'm looking at the viewfinder, so don't mind me. Because I'm trying to see what the quality looks like. So yeah, this room is completely dark. And it looks like I'm in a lit room. Y'all, I like this. Even though I'm all up in my face, I forgot to zoom back out. I forgot to zoom back out when I started walking, so I'm all up in y'all face. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is my review on the Canon G7X. I would definitely recommend it. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to start vlogging. If you don't follow my health and beauty channel, it is Healthy Living with Tiki. Make sure that you follow it, like, comment, and subscribe on this video. And I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.